YouTube, this is DMV Elevators. Before I start this video, I want to note that the video I'm about to film is in an undisclosed location. This is a residential house, and this particular house has a residential elevator. So for the safety of the residents that live in this house, I'm gonna leave the location undisclosed. So here we come to the elevators. Here we come to the home elevator at a private residential building in Bowie, Maryland. This is the gated elevator. And we can take like one ride on. Take like one or two rides. And we're gonna go to the basement. Fixtures. Has a phone. Has your run stop on and off button and your bell. And here we are, basement. Gonna open the door. Here we are. Gonna go up to 2. Watch between the door and watch the door and the number. By the way, this elevator was just repaired and it was out of service for a while. Here we are at 2, and the number changes. Open the door, and we're gonna end it when it goes out to the hall. And we're going to end it at 1. So this elevator was broken for a while. So it was just fixed like a month or so ago. Maybe a few weeks ago. Here we are at 1. And I'm gonna shut the door. And there it goes. By the way, this home elevator was installed in 2011. Back to my video in 2011 on my old YouTube channel where I first filmed it. That's when I originally filmed this elevator. This was a much needed retake in 2025, almost 14 years later. So for the sake of the residents who live in this house, this was granted with permission and I was not trespassing. I used to live in this house, so basically I had permission to film here. And that'll be it.